beautiful day in Manchester, Vermont. Everything is closed. We're supposed to get a foot of snow, and that is in addition to the foot we got last week. So we're way up there in terms of snow. Unlike last year where we didn't get any snow until January. It's absolutely beautiful. And we're in between two mountains, and you can't even see the mountains because the snow is so intense. But Bromley is straight ahead. And they're going to get about 1.5 feet of snow when this is all done. It's absolutely gorgeous. Talk about winter wonderland. Beautiful. Right now, I'd say we got about 6 or 8 inches.